Good morning. Hello little ones. Hope you are enjoying the online sessions. Today we'll do something different. Do you know what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn a new concept of tall and short. Tall means height mein lamba and short means height mein chota. Tall height mein lamba or short height mein chota. So let's learn the concept with the objects. Tall, short. A tall boy, a short boy. Tall माने height में लंबा and short माने height में छोटा. A tall ladder, a short ladder. A tall ladder, a short ladder. A tall tree, a short tree. A tall tree, a short tree. A tall girl, a short girl. A tall girl, a short girl. A tall giraffe, a short rabbit. A tall giraffe, a short rabbit. So children, let's revise them once again. Tall boy, a short boy. A tall ladder, a short ladder. A tall tree, a short tree. A tall girl, a short girl. A tall giraffe, a short rabbit. A giraffe is a tall animal and a rabbit is a short animal. Now, let's do an activity related to the concept of tall and short. Do you know what are we going to do? We are going to do sponge dabbing. So, let's start the activity. We have a tall tree here and we are going to do sponge dabbing. We have sponges here and we have brown color and green color. Now, we will do the sponge dabbing with brown color first in the tree trunk. See children, we have done sponge dabbing in the tree trunk. Now we'll take green color for the tree over here. Look children, we have to dab the sponge like this so that we can get the texture of the sponge. Can you see? Now we'll take some more color. Wow, it looks lovely, isn't it? You can do this at home with the help of your mama. And you will enjoy doing the activity. Here, see, we have done sponge dabbing. And what are we doing? We are doing a tall tree. Sponge dabbing in the tall tree. See children, wow, it really looks very nice, isn't it? Now we have a short tree over here. We will do the sponge dabbing in the short tree the same way when we did it in the tall tree with brown color and green color. So let's start. Can you see? We did in the tree trunk, and now we are going to do it in the tree over here. See children, we can see the texture of the sponge when we dab it. Wow, really it looks very nice. See children, it really looks very nice, isn't it? So what did we do today? In the activity we did a sponge dabbing, a tall tree and a short tree. Hope you enjoyed the activity. Okay then, bye for today. See you. Take care.